Now I got the old heart racing. This looks like it could be a pretty cool relic. Wish I could say what it is. It's some kind of buckle. I'll get a brush on it. Looks like it's got some gilt on it. Flowers, beautiful. I'll be right back. Wow, this is what I love about metal detecting. I literally thought this was going to be a pop can, crushed lid to an aluminum something or other. And here it's probably turn of the century little buckle here. That is fantastic. Well, let's get on, see what else we could find.